Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the essentials. Charge the phone above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi. Insert the phone into the VR headset, aligning the screen with the center mount. This ensures lens calibration later. Once done, open the VR app you installed and grant required permissions like motion and audio so tracking works. Make sure notifications are silenced to avoid interruptions. While you adjust straps, confirm the display orientation and brightness, so images won't be washed out when you begin. You now calibrate tracking and visuals. Follow the app's IPD and lens focus prompts so the image is crisp. Pair any Bluetooth controller or use on-screen gaze controls. Pairing stabilizes input. Then adjust headset straps and tilt to center the display on your eyes. A slight forward tilt reduces motion blur. Next, choose performance settings. Select 60 to 72 Hz if available and enable comfort options like snap turns or reduced motion to prevent nausea during longer sessions. You finish by running a short demo scene to verify latency, audio sync, and comfort. This exposes any remaining issues quickly. If tracking lags, close background apps, reduce rendering quality, and toggle Bluetooth or restart the controller. If the display flickers or shifts, remove and reinsert the phone. Check for debris on lenses, and lower brightness to reduce thermal throttling. Finally, make sure ventilation is clear. Breaks every 20-30 minutes help prevent discomfort and keep the device cool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.